So this is our project. All the cabling's been put in, all the componentry's purchased already. There's allocations for security camera systems with a brain the whole way around. Come in the door, dishwasher, little hand wash sink, double wash sinks. As you can see, there's plenty of switchboard, breakers. All the internals have been refitted with Skyboard the whole way through the trailer. LPG gas system needs a bit of a clean up, but is operational. Through to the back door. There's a 3-door scope glass fridge for the beverage service area. As you can see, all the power is docked in the roof. All we need to do is connect the boards, all the breakers, everything we already have. Roof mount motor for the scope. And then over here, this is our bar service area. So you've got 2 service stations with speed rails, ice wells underneath, glass racks on each station, and then there's a couple of taps yet to be set up, but we've got the quote in place ready if that's something you wanted to do, was to have tap beer online. Then you can see all the lighting. We've got brand new fluoros, LED batten fluoros to go through, all purchased. All the switchboards, the power points, they're all marked, they just need to be connected and put in. There's a Boema single group coffee machine on a bench. There's also a shelf up here that is to be mounted above the coffee machine for all your takeaway packaging. There's a spring-loaded cup dispenser that just needs to be mounted into the bench. And then here, this is your food area. So you've got a 3-door underbench fridge for all your prep items, which go out to your main servery window out through the front here. And then you've got a 2-door underbench prep cold bay. So this is more your salad station, if you wanted to do salads and things. Up in this corner, there's more allocation with coaxial cables for the camera system. So you've got one there, one in that corner, one on the outside front of the trailer, one on the back side of the trailer. And in this back corner, once again, all the PowerPoint allocations been put in, stainless steel wall backing. All the equipment needs to be safety chains to deck regulations. We've got all the chains, all the componentry needed. It's just one of the jobs that needs to be done. So then we've got a 60-litre brat pan, LPG, runs fine, it's been tested. This is a 3-burner 900 barbecue. The barbecue plate's actually in storage, but this one here has been refurbed and refitted and tested. Then you've got 2 double deep fryers, which are Snowmaster. They're a bit old, but they evidently have worked. We haven't tested them as yet, but there's no reason why we think they wouldn't work. You've got a 4-burner, this is an Anglo Pro 4-burner oven. LPG once again, under the exhaust system. So the exhaust system's in, it's got a remote unit that will attach to it if you're going to use it in a permanent situation. That is probably worth about 4.5–5 grand just by itself. All it needs is some tubing and a stand made for it to make it work. The other side of it is there's 2 motors in here that run off the power circuit of the van. So if you are using it in a mobile application, then you can have 2 in or 1 external if that's what you wanted. And then this one here, this is a 10-tray Zanussi. It's an LPG fired gas combi oven, still under warranty. We purchased this for $5,000 as part of the startup. It just needs to be ducted from those 2 ports into the exhaust hood, and the gas connection and water connections set up. And then you're back to your beverage area. So the trailer itself, we were making for a potential cafe site at a nursery. Unfortunately, that lease has been reneged, and we've got this asset here that we have no use for. So my loss will be your gain. Give me a call on my numbers 0414 705 755.